My name is Jaime. I'm an accountant working in a big organizations. Okay, in terms of designs, I believe in the market, especially in Malaysia, there's only one company that do this kind of round designs. Most of the other alternative that I have, it is kind of boxy, a squarish kind of design. I think that one may fit for industrial kind of premises, but not for residential. So I think the residential, that's why I choose these designs by Nibav, because of this the round design fit for my house. It looks beautiful for the house, and design of the stairs of my house, it fits perfectly well. So it looks nice for the house. I don't have to do any renovations. In terms of the designs, it's kind of like plug and play on the design, so the one fits me very well. There's no messy renovations required for the installation. I don't think there is a big effect on my electricity bill. I have not seen any big spike. I think it's kind of normal kind of electrical appliance. So I don't see any problem on the high consumption on my bills. I think when you have, for example, like my family and friends that come over to the house, it looks luxurious kind of design. So there are a lot of good comments when people come to the house. I can recommend to others, if you're looking for the lift, and especially the lift that has the functionality and the good appeal, beautiful aesthetic, this is the one that comes up top. If you're looking for designs that fit your house, I think this one fit nicely for your house. If you have a nice interior design, this one fit nicely. Definitely, when it comes to functionality, it's functioning well, and I have no problem recommending that to others.